Good morning, student. I'm Prithvi. Today we are discussing in maths exercise 2.2. We already discussed yesterday. So now today we are discuss about proof of few formulas. Few formulas we are discuss yesterday. So now we are going one steps ahead. Okay? Yes. Now, what is first one is sine minus x is equals to minus sine x. Few example already we are discussing now. That is cos minus x is equals to cos x. Third is tan minus x is equals to minus tan x. Fourth is cot minus x is equals to minus 4x. Fifth is sec minus x is equals to sec x. And sixth is cosec. Now, when all these are in fourth quadrant. Okay? This is in fourth quadrant. Now, the next formulas are written in this practice. Third types we already discussed. Now, then cos A and this now it is here. Then cos x plus y. This is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Similarly, then here is from third, that is second is sin cos x minus y is equals to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now, third is sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now, fourth one is sin x minus y is equals to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now, next is tan x plus y is equals to tan x plus tan y whole 1 minus tan x tan y. weight goes to now. The next is now. As we discuss later. Then next type of formulate that is fourth type, that is cos pi by 2 minus x. It means this is equal to cos pi by 2. Pi by 2 means yes, pi by 2 means 90. Pi by 2 write 90 degree or pi by 2. That cos pi by 2 minus x, that is equals to sin x. Number 1 here. Number 2 is sin pi by 2 minus x is equals to cos x. Then third is tan pi by 2 minus x is equals to cot x. This is cot x.
सर थोड़ा धुंधला दिखाई दे रहा।
Cot is cot pi by 2 minus x.
सर धुंधला दिखाई दे रहा।
Now set pi by 2 minus x is equals to cosec x. Now 6, that is cosec pi by 2 minus x is equals to
सर थोड़ा पास से को करो।
now next type of now these values are in first quadrant, so we are using all with positive sign. Now in second quadrant, now number 1 cos pi by 2 plus x. Here is in second quadrant, that is minus sin x here. Then next is sin pi by 2 plus x. This value will be positive. It means cos x. Now the next is tan pi by 2 plus x. It is equals to tan pi by, that is minus cot x. Now fourth is cot pi by 2 plus x is equals to minus tan x. Then fifth, that is sec pi by 2 plus x is equals to minus cosec x. Then sixth one is cosec pi by 2 plus x is equals to minus का प्लस हो गया और यहाँ आ जाएगा sec x. This is fifth type of formulas we are writing here. Now sixth type of formula is then here is pi minus x. This is also in second quadrant, then it is equals to cos pi minus theta or pi minus x. This is equals to minus cos x. Then here is this one. Now this, because these are in second quadrant, so the value of cos is negative. So we write like this. Now sin pi minus x, this is equals to sin x. Similarly, third one is tan pi minus x is equals to minus tan x. Now fourth one is cot pi minus x is equals to minus cot x. Fifth is sec pi minus x is equals to minus sec.
सर क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा।
नीचे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है? एक सेकंड
सर क्लियर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
एक सेकंड बेटा, अभी दिखाई दे रहा है? मैं वीडियो भेज दूंगा बेटा और देखते रहो,
नो सर।
है ना? थोड़ा नेटवर्क हो सकता है ना? ट्राई करो, कोशिश करने की, अंडरस्टैंड करने की। और अब हम क्या करते हैं, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट के लिए करते हैं। थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट जैसे फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकंड, ये थर्ड और ये फोर्थ। अब फोर्थ थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में 7 टाइप फॉर्मूले sin cos pi plus x. Pi means up to second quadrant and x is in third quadrant. Now this is equals to minus cos x. Then here is then sin pi plus x is equals to minus sin x. Now that is tan pi plus x is equals to tan pi plus x is equals to tan x, because here is tan with positive sign, so we take positive here. Now cot pi plus x is equals to cot x with positive sign. Now next is fifth. This is equals to sec pi plus x is equals to minus sec x. This is also with negative sign. This is like this third quadrant. So fifth is 6 1 now. Cos sec pi plus x is equals to cos sec x with negative. Okay. Now third quadrant is over now. Then in the next quadrant, that is 8th type formula. Now here is cos means up to here is complete. It means 2 pi is equals to 360 degree. Now this value will be completed. So we write like this: 2 pi minus x. 2 pi minus x. This is positive cos x. Number 1. Number 2. This is sin 2 pi minus x is equals to minus sin x. In fourth quadrant is cos and say are positive, rest are negative. Then third is this is tan 2 pi minus x. This is equals to minus tan x. Fourth is fourth 2 pi minus x is equals to minus 4x. Okay? Now, see this. It also you set 2 pi minus x. This is also with positive sign. So set x. And sixth one is cosec 2 pi minus x is equals to minus cosec x. Eighth type formula is also completed here now. Now 9. Then if we are using anti-clockwise, here is negative sign. If we take minus x here, then there is 1 cos minus x is equal to already we write here. These formula we can discuss in first type. This is in fourth quadrant. Or one type is we can also using this type 270 plus. For example, some cos 270 degree plus theta or x, we can write x, or this value in pi plus here is pi by 2 plus theta. It means this is 3 pi by 2 plus x. We can write this like this also. So here is in place in terms of pi we can write 3 pi by 2 plus x. This is also cos x. Similarly, second formula sin 3 pi by 2 plus x. This is equals to minus sin x. Or third is this is tan 3 pi by 2 plus x is equals to minus tan x. Or fourth one is cot 3 pi by 2 plus x. This is also minus cot x. Then fifth is sec 3 plus x is equals to sec x. And the last one is here I write 6 1. Then cosec 3 pi by 2 plus x. This is equals to cosec x with negative. Okay. So dear students, you write all these formulae and take the screenshot also. Okay. So these formulas are the basic or backbone of this chapter. So you write and learn. This is very important for you. Okay. Write down.
चलने तो क्या होगा?
Okay. Now 10th type formula how then 10 x plus y is tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, we prove this formula from left hand side, okay. Now we know that we know that tan x plus y is equals to sin x plus y upon cos x plus y. Okay, student, already we discussed this sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and cos x minus plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, we write these two values in this above expression. Okay, now it means tan x plus y is equals to sin x plus y upon cos x plus y. This is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y is divided by cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, student, now this is equals to that in this is numerator and this is denominator. So in numerator and denominator is divide by cos x cos y, and here is also divided by cos x cos y. Okay, now it is equals to tan x plus y. This is cos y is divided by cos y, that is 1. So sin x upon cos x, that is sin x upon cos x, and here is cos y upon cos y plus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. Okay, and here is divided by cos x cos y upon cos x cos y minus sin x sin y upon cos x cos y. Okay, now cos y is divided by cos y one times, or cos x is divided by cos x one time, and here is cos x divided by cos x, or sin x divided by sin x. Here is that, here is cos x divided by cos x, cos y divided by cos y, and here is this is equals to tan x plus y is equals to, here is sin x upon cos x, that is tan x, plus sin y upon cos y is tan y. Okay, now divide by, here is 1 left, 1 minus is as it is sin x upon cos x, that is tan x, and here is y. It means this is the formula which we require. Okay, we need to prove. Similarly, we can prove 10x minus y is equals to 10x minus 10y upon 1 plus 10x 10y. Okay, now use with the help of this formula we can write here. Now change in this formula, that is 10x plus minus y, or minus y, right, like this. Okay, then we write here 10x plus 10 minus y upon 1 minus 10x or 10 minus y. Okay, now in first type of formula, when we start 10 minus x is equals to minus 10x, we are using this formula that time. So we write here, applying here, then here is 10x, so this minus will come outside, so here is negative, so this is 10y. Now similarly in denominator 1, this minus will come outside here, then minus into minus plus, so here is 10x or 10y. This is equals to 10x minus y. This is also the another code for this formula. Okay, so you can write this also. Now similarly we will discuss the new and next formula is now code x plus y. Next 11, that is 11 type code x plus y. We need to prove that is code x code y minus 1 upon code y plus 4x. We need to prove this formula. Okay, this student. So we write here from left hand side, then it is equals to cos x plus y is equals to cos x plus y upon sin x plus y. Now we are using this cos x cos y minus sin x sin y upon sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay, in the same way in numerator and denominator by by sin x sin y. Okay, now this is equals to cos 4 plus y is equals to cos x cos y upon sin x sin y minus sin x sin y upon sin x sin y. Okay, is divided by sin x cos y divided by sin x sin y plus cos x sin y divided by sin x sin y. Okay, now this is cancelled and here is this is sin x also cancelled and this is sin y also. Now we can put here, then this is cot x or this is cot y minus 1 upon cot y plus cot x is equals to cot x plus y. Similarly, we can go one step ahead. Then the next one is cot x plus minus y is equals to cot x cot y plus 1 upon cot y minus cot x. Okay, then in place of that, here is we are using this also same way. Then in this way we can interchange this. If here is this is equals to cot x plus minus y is equals to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y upon sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay, the same way divided by sin x sin y in denominator also sin x sin y. Okay, then it is I write directly this steps. So here is cot x cot y plus 1 upon here is cot y minus cot x. Okay, this is cot x minus y. This is also hence. Okay, so write this also, take the screenshot every student. Okay.